Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
Begin by preheating the oven to 375 degrees F and arranging ingredients for speed. Spread 8 ounces of sturdy tortilla chips in a single layer on a rimmed sheet pan so each chip can get cheese. Grate 2 cups of sharp cheddar and toss it with 1/2 teaspoon kosher salt and 1/4 teaspoon black pepper for balanced seasoning. Mince 1 small onion and 1 jalapeno, pit and dice 2 Roma tomatoes, and warm a can of black beans for higher heat tolerance and even distribution. Build restaurant-style nachos by layering for texture. Start with chips, sprinkle 1 cup of cheese, scatter warmed black beans, diced tomato and half the onion, then add a 2nd cup of cheese so every chip becomes cheesy. Slide the sheet pan into the preheated oven and bake at 375 degrees F for 8 to 10 minutes until cheese is bubbly and edges of chips turn golden brown. Remove immediately and add cold toppings like shredded lettuce, chopped cilantro, sliced jalapenos, and a drizzle of crema or sour cream to create temperature contrast. Finish the plate by spooning 1/2 cup of pico de gallo across the crispy cheese, scattering 1/4 cup chopped cilantro, and dotting with 3 tablespoons crema or sour cream for richness. Sprinkle sliced jalapenos and the remaining onion for bite, then serve with lime wedges so diners add bright acidity to taste. Offer a bottle of hot sauce for adjustable spice. For best crunch and ideal melt contrast, present the nachos within 5 minutes of baking and encourage sharing straight from the pan.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.